In this video, we're going to share 5 tips which will help you get much more for your SMS strategy. So you have started using bulk SMS or text messaging solutions for your business. Congratulations, you're way ahead of your competitors who've not yet seen the power of SMSs like you have. Before making any business decisions, you need to put yourself in your audience's shoes. What does your audience want to see? Do they want to be slammed with repetitive, typo-filled, boring text messages? I guess not. You understand what your audience want, but how do you connect with them? One of the best things about SMS as a form of engaging with your audience is that you can get up as close and as personal as you want. Your SMSs can be personalized so that they can have the recipient's name and as many personal details as you want. Getting personal also means that you shouldn't be afraid to spice things up with slang words. Be careful, you shouldn't go overboard unless the industry calls for it. The next tip is timing. You can't afford to forget your timing when it comes to SMS marketing. Timing is as important as your content because you could craft up the perfect SMS, but if you get the timing wrong and if you send it at the wrong time, it falls flat. To get your timing right, you need to do some research. And by proper research, we mean reading blog, like this insightful SMS Country blog that helps you understand the best time to send SMSs. Find the link to the blog in the description below. Proper research could also mean experiments with different trials and errors. When you find your sweet spot, it's all worth it. Speaking of experiments, be prepared to carry out more than your fair share before you figure out what works best for you. And last but not the least, your CTA must be as compelling as possible. If you're not pushing your customer to click on a link to your website or an app, you could also ask them to click on a social media post or your customer contact number. I hope this video was useful. If you found it useful, do well to like and leave a comment so that other people like you can find it on YouTube. Would you like to start your journey with effective bulk SMS for your business today? Try SMS Country for free. At SMS Country, we bring enterprise-level messaging solution plus unmatched support for SMEs to be able to communicate with their customers effectively. The goal? To outgrow us and their competitors. Have we got you interested? Sign up today on our website. Our team of experts are readily available to help you with your questions or any feedback.